All right, so I'm going to get into the sandbox explanation for this week, or for this module, I should say. It's excessively easy. So uh, all you have to do is spend a little bit of time exploring the types of errors. And this is not a fully inclusive list of every possible error that can be generated by Python. What I did is I sort of gathered like a top 10 kind of list of the different errors. And I actually gave you code that if you copy and paste this into PyCharm, it will give you that error. Okay, so this will produce a name error because that variable doesn't exist. So if you play around with some of these, you will see how these errors come about, and then you can learn to catch those errors. And so for for this sandbox challenge, all I want you to do is pick any of the five of the above types of errors, write your own code that would produce that kind of error. So learn how to produce those on purpose as a way of learning how to avoid producing them by accident. And then include a brief comment explaining the error, and post a screenshot to the discussion forum. Super easy, free point. Here are some of the other ones that folks did. Okay. Pretty simple overall, but just gives you some exposure to the different types of errors that you can expect and what causes them. So I think it is useful to do this and turn that in. And